In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Zoho email campaign. Start by opening your browser and heading to campaigns.zoho.com. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the top right for the plus icon. That's your starting point for anything new. Click it, then choose Email Campaign from the options that appear. On the regular email card, select Create New. This keeps things straightforward and is perfect for one-off announcements, newsletters, promotions, or updates. You'll be asked to enter a campaign name. Pick something clear and specific so you can recognize it at a glance later, like a product launch date or the audience you're targeting. When that's set, click Save and proceed to move into the setup flow. Next, fill in the essentials: your subject line, sender details, and recipients. For the subject, keep it concise, descriptive, and aligned with the content. Avoid spammy punctuation and excessive capitalization, and consider adding a short pre-header to expand on the promise of the subject. For the sender, use a verified email from your domain and a friendly from name people will recognize. Steer clear of generic no-reply addresses. Replies can surface valuable feedback and improve deliverability. For recipients, choose the list or segment that fits your message. Sending only to permission-based contacts protects your reputation and keeps your metrics accurate. If your list supports segments, you can narrow by engagement level or interest to make the message more relevant. Now create your content. You can start from a template or use the drag and drop editor. Keep the layout clean, mobile friendly, and accessible with readable font sizes and descriptive alt text for images. Lead with a clear value proposition. Place your main call to action near the top and repeat it once more for scanners. Personalize where it makes sense using merge tags and include a plain text version for better inbox compatibility. Before moving on, preview on desktop and mobile, run a quick link check and send yourself a test to ensure everything looks right. Make sure your footer includes your postal address and an easy unsubscribe link to stay compliant with content ready. Set up scoring, assign points for actions like opens and clicks so you can identify engaged contacts and track campaign impact over time. Keep the scale consistent across campaigns so comparisons are meaningful, and avoid overweighting any single action. Finally, configure response actions and your calendar. Decide what should happen when someone interacts, such as applying a tag, moving a contact to a follow-up list, or notifying your team. Then pick your send time. Choose a schedule that matches your audience's time zones and behavior. Once everything looks good in the summary, you're ready to schedule or send your Zoho email campaign with confidence.